Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Nabeel Rahman. I hope you all are well. Today we will discuss about career. So for a career we need a lot of skills and need to develop new skills. So today we have to learn about how to master coding. It is very important for computer science students as well as for the mathematics students. So firstly, you have to follow these steps without skipping anything, and you will become surely masters of coding. Firstly, you have to learn data structure and algorithm. It will develop your logical skills. It also helps you in your daily life. Choose a programming language which you can go with Java, C++, Python language does not matter. Start with the basic tutorials on YouTube, Tutorials Point or Java Point. Once you are comfortable with a language, start giving contents on online judges for few years. Side by side, start working on latest technologies to kickstart your real life coding. Keep making small projects to enhance your coding skills and practice, practice, and practice. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.